Hello viewer, we can use the designs here, making the angle for it and paint around it. I will choose a different paint. So let's have a structure there. Use that blue color and further I will choose the different one. Now I can pick up a round rectangular shape. I will have it change the angle for that custom shapes option. Make the further designs here. To choose, I will make another one. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.